Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and eliminating simple failures. Check your iPad supports Apple Pencil Gen 1 and that iOS is current. Once done, remove the pencil cap and visually inspect the lightning connector for dirt, bent pins, or corrosion. Blow gently or use a soft brush. Make sure the iPad's port is clean, then pair briefly. Plug the pencil into the iPad and look for the pairing prompt. If nothing appears, try a known good lightning cable, an adapter to isolate a bad cable or power source. Next, you run deeper diagnostics to find where charging fails. Test the pencil on a second iPad or use a powered USB adapter and cable so you know whether the pencil itself or the original iPad is the issue. Make sure to forget the pencil in Bluetooth settings, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and restart the iPad to clear pairing glitches. Then plug the pencil back in, check the battery widget, and allow 10 to 15 minutes. Some deeply discharged batteries need time before the charge registers. To finish, replace any damaged external parts. A worn cap or bent connector can prevent contact, so swap them for genuine or high-quality replacements. If the pencil still refuses to charge after testing with multiple iPads and cables, the internal battery or charging circuitry likely failed. At that point, contact Apple support or an authorized repair center for battery replacement. One key troubleshooting tip: avoid attempting DIY battery swaps unless you have the tools and training. Moisture or heat can ruin the pencil and void warranties.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.